Have you ever felt like you're capable of so much more, but something is holding you back? What if you could unlock your full potential and achieve not just wealth, but true fulfillment and a lasting purpose? That's exactly what the book Think and Grow Limitless promises to help you do. This isn't just another self-help book. It's a modern, science-backed roadmap for the 21st century. It all starts with defining what you truly want, your definite chief aim. The book guides you through modern goal-setting techniques that turn a simple wish into a burning desire, the kind that fuels unstoppable action. But a goal without belief is just a dream. This is where it gets really interesting. Think and Grow Limitless dives into the power of your mind, using visualization and affirmations grounded in neuroscience to literally reprogram your subconscious for success. Next, you'll learn how to build a rock-solid strategy. We're talking about practical, real-world skills for today's AI-driven world, like skill stacking to make yourself invaluable. You'll discover how to solve problems creatively and plan your every move with modern tools like Notion and Trello. It also stresses the importance of making decisions quickly and decisively, and developing the grit to persevere, no matter what challenges you face. But success isn't just about what you do. It's about who you are and who you surround yourself with. The second half of the book focuses on this inner game. You'll learn how to build a powerful mastermind group and leverage collaborative networks to accelerate your growth. It even explores cutting-edge concepts like biohacking and achieving a state of flow to unleash your creative genius. The journey goes even deeper into the subconscious mind, showing you how to rewire your brain for inner wisdom and intuition. We all struggle with fear and self-doubt, and this book gives you powerful psychological tools to build unshakable resilience and determination. It's about transforming your mindset from one of limitation to one of limitless possibility. Think and Grow Limitless is more than a book. It's a guide to creating a legacy. It provides the practical methods and resources you need to navigate your own path to personal and professional mastery confidently. If you're ready to stop dreaming and start achieving, this might be the most important book you'll ever read. Check it out and start your journey to a limitless life today. Thanks for watching.